Start her up, Haas. Oh, it didn't do it. Yeah.
I don't want to start the compressor.
Let's start one of the other.
The air conditioner meet. Day 3 of the freaking fan swap thing. I guess we're starting this now. Kenmore. It's Van Berg HVAC.
I like the way the compressor sounds in this one too. I think it's a pretty good sound.
Oh yeah. I can kind of hear it. Probably be ever better over here. Very quiet. It's like the one I have, but older, I think.
Yeah, this is a 93.
93?
It's button off on there.
Huh. Mine's from like 96, I think.
Yours has the white panel, I think.
Yeah.
I haven't been able to find.
The fact I found that on the curb was crazy.
I'll ask. It's an interesting shape. I kind of like the shape.
Nice air conditioner. It's in good shape.
Probably the first one on brand.
5,000. That's some Friedrich air conditioner. Everybody's out having a good old time.
What's up, Tori?
GE box fan. And a Lakewood Pincrest. And then we got the HV18 over here. Zach, what do you got to say?
It's pretty cool.
It's very cool. Was it unplugged or something? Blake. Oh, that is nice.
That's in there. 52nd Street. Oh, that's the best. Good choice. Dan, you got the Doors in there. You got Aerosmith, Pink Floyd.
Pink Floyd, Aerosmith, the Blue Oyster Cult, and the best of the Doors. Oh, that sounds. That's got a good bass to it. That's what I need at my grandma's.
That sounds great. You need to get a vintage stereo.
Yeah. Eventually, I want to get one.
Well, I have that Lafayette at home.
Well, whenever
I need an 8-track player.
I get room, I want to get something like this. Get the antique sink. Go around the Subarus. I'm not a fan of the new ones, but I like this older one. It's a manual. That's kind of cool. And then you got the Ghoulie over here. With its hood up and everything. I actually took this on a drive earlier. It's the Iron Duke. I don't know how many miles it had. I didn't even check when I looked at it. 197. Ow. Yeah, it's pretty cool. Don't see these very much anymore. AAA sticker. Yeah, this is pretty cool. You got the Chevy Tahoe and a random cone. But yeah, this is kind of a little tour of the AC meet, I guess. This is what happens when the fan collectors invade the air conditioning meet. We got this little guy up here. Sorry. YouTube's gonna copyright me. Oh well. And we got the old Laguna over here. I'll walk my way over here. Excuse me. Laguna. And there's the box. And the good food.
This is good shit right here.
Those fries are really good. We'll leave that on high. I'm the beat up Kmart fan. Well, yeah. What do you got to say? This is your fault.
What? Your face over.
They look cool here, though. Like if you can go back here, kind of see them better. And then we got the bulbs from the firehouse in here. Yeah, this is what happens when fan collectors invade the air conditioner meet. Air conditioners are cool too. I like these. A lot of cool stuff. Figuratively and physically, I guess. God bless. We got people cleaning their air conditioners over here. Actually, I do this at home myself, so I just don't video it because I don't see a point.
By the way, Nate Jordan, hello.
Vanberg says hi, Nate. Well, we did do one video of cleaning air conditioners. That one where me and Nate cleaned them. That's got a big ass compressor in it.
Yeah, man.
Crazy. A lot of cool stuff over here. But yeah. Pennsylvania. Pretty cool place. Chicken.
As soon as that started coming back cold and it's sweating all the way up to the compressor, I knew I was good.
The Iron Duke. Mike, you got anything to say?
Not really.
Tell us about your car. The old Pontiac 6000.
Oh yeah. Yeah, that actually I upgraded that. I got the original dash was just a speedometer and gas gauge and idiot lights, and I hate idiot lights. I like full gauges. I know, I might have full gauges. So I swapped the cluster. I actually had to, the mileage, when I did the cluster swap, I actually had to take a drill and run it up to the right mileage because the cluster was much lower.
At least you were just going forwards, not backwards.
Oh, it can go backwards, I found out.
Yeah. Well, it's like a
This is
mistake.
a newer mirror.
Like, hey, you can't roll it backwards. We don't care if you're just trying to make the mileage match.
But see, I wanted to make it match.
I'm like, well, I wasn't rolling back. I was rolling it forwards.
I wanted to run forward because I want, to me it's like the higher the mileage, you know, it's kind of like shows how good the car is.
Yeah, mine just.
You got a good point there.
Yeah. Like some people are just like, oh, these cars are pieces of junk, and it's like.
Right. They're not bad cars. They're really good
I
cars.
take care of it. I knew someone that had a Kia I think it was a Kia Sophia, and they got 500,000 out of it before they got rid of it.
Those older Kias are actually pretty
They
good.
just took really good care of it. They said the reason they got rid of it, it started having electrical issues, and it was starting to smoke.
Uh-huh.
And I mean, but he's like,
For
yeah,
that mileage, though, I mean, you got your money's worth.
500,000 miles
Yeah, you go.
on a Kia.
You got your money's worth many times over out of that car.
You know, they were just considered like a
Fuel
budget.
injection.
Mine just turned.
And more. Redirect. Oh, God. I don't know. Here, turn it on. Or is it on? I can't see. Oh, it is on. I couldn't hear over the music. What are these for? Oh, okay. Wow. Everybody having a good old time here. The fans are still up. Got this thing. Is this plugged in? No. Pretty cool. I still really want this. I really like that thing. Got Van Berg making a video. It blows pretty cold. You got a knob for that?
No, I gotta find another one from Russ.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, so excited it's missing.
Because it's in really good shape otherwise.
Yeah, what are you gonna do it on?
That feels nice. I know these aren't really like very collectible, but I always like them.
I like them because they're quiet and simplistic.
Yeah. I want to see this thing run. If I can get it unplugged. I want to see this run. Now, hold on a minute. Alright, I'll let you operate it then. Plug her in. Is it on? I kind of heard it kind of moved a little bit. But when I was a kid, there was this abandoned building full of crap, and one of these was in the wall, and they had like a mail slot, and I opened it up and looked inside, and I could see it from the inside.
That's pretty cool. Yeah. You got a photo of it?
Oh no, this was like way before I started documenting stuff. But I remember the outside of it very well, and I want to find one of these. The Sears works pretty good. Other than that one cosmetic defect. Puts out a lot of heat. Yeah. Little 6,000 BTU. Still has the filter. Good shocker.
Plug it in at the garage real quick.
And then if something goes wrong, we tell them to unplug it, so we don't have to touch the unit. We can just.
That extension cord's a piece of junk. No wonder it's not.
Yeah, there's water on the capacitor. It's on.
That's the worst extension cord I've ever seen.
We got all right.
Featuring Jordan Utter, by the way.
That extension cord. The electrician has the worst.
Get some brake clean. Hey, use a can of Freon.
Oh my god. This is the most sketchiest thing all day.
There's got to be a leaf. Russ has a leaf blower.
A leaf blower?
We don't have a switch box out here?
Just plug it in. Just plug it in the.
Somebody plug her in.
Wait, not right now.
Not yet, not yet.
I don't want to be.
You don't want to turn in the freaking.
What was the elephant they killed?
The elephant in the room?
No, the elephant they killed. Thomas Edison killed an elephant to demonstrate how bad AC was.
Oh, yeah.
What was her name?
Oh. Frankie? Dale Beatty, that's what his name was.
Fat fucking elephant that died. It probably smelled pretty bad too.
Probably.
Flesh smells bad.
I always don't look in the plug enough.
You know me too, I'm an expert at plugging things in.
Do it.
Come on, Jordan, you gotta do it.
Is it live yet?
No.
Not live yet. We can make it be live.
I got 800 volts through the chest once.
Yeah, but not at 20
But those weren't
Low
amps.
amperage.
Those weren't amps.
Low amps. It was like half an amp. It's from a Geiger counter. I was working on.
if it was that.
I don't know what it was.
Here we go, folks. Jordan Utter making his janky chords.
These are the prongs. Just imagine there's a plug here that goes right in.
This is
Yeah.
an electrical filament.
This is a terrible extension cord. This is.
I mean, it doesn't look.
It's fantastic.
This should at least be in there at bare
At
minimum.
least it's an extension cord.
Yeah, but this is an
What
electric.
was that, Romex wire?
This is
Eat
Romex
that.
wire.
Oh my god.
Kids in Africa could eat that. That'd be nice. You hear what I said, Dan?
Huh?
You hear what I said?
No.
I said that's a pretty good extension cord.
It's got lead in
I
there.
don't understand.
Where?
Lead.
And the wire.
Kids in Africa.
You know what they say about lead? That's
Where's
good
their
for
lead?
you.
Lead is one of my favorite poisonous
It's sweet.
substances.
It's really sweet.
What about asbestos?
Asbestos is good. Mercury is my favorite.
Mercury.
Makes a lot
Mercury.
of good lighting products.
It also makes very good thermostats.
All right, flip the breaker.
Let's make it go
For
burr.
a second. You good?
Not much. Hold on, I'm in
Flip
the
it.
middle. I gotta call you back. Bye.
Let's watch the magic smoke appear.
Vin, so it's all ready? It's all on?
Yes.
Oh yeah, it's plugged in and everything.
Woof.
Watch it go burr.
From New York, poof. What do you want?
New York, not New York.
New York.
Did he switch it on yet?
New York.
I'm gonna let him turn on the power, come out here, and then we'll start it.
Walk and I talk and I live in New York and I drink my coffee or water. I tell my daughter to give the dog coffee, she gives the dog coffee.
He can do a good Jamaican
Dumb
accent. by
daughter.
the way. Do a Jamaican accent.
Yeah, man, you say, yeah, man, you say, me need that.
Oh my god. This is all going on video, by the
Oh,
way.
yeah, don't put that online.
Well, it ain't blowing up yet.
Can you stall the fan out? And just flick it on real
Oh,
quick.
Something went burn.
That was something sparking in there.
Yeah, I heard it.
Tell me when you turn it on. I'll look and tell you. I'll tell you if I see an arc.
Watch it go boom.
I did not like that at all. Roof food.
Roof food.
I mean, the fan runs.
Try it one more time.
No, I ain't going this fucking compressor.
Let her rip. She ain't ready for the junkyard
There's a
yet.
lot of power.
You got a meter?
She still feels like a new Corvette.
Yeah.
Sure you don't want to try it.
You heard it, right?
That sounds
Yeah.
like water arcing in the switch.
Right, right.
You might just
We
gotta
do
let
have
it
a
try
hair
out.
dryer, a compressor, or some shit.
Another switch. And then, listen, so the water's gonna evaporate because of the arc. The arc is really hot. Well, I mean, but the point is, it's not gonna, the whole unit's not gonna catch fire and explode and burn down Russ's
I'm not
house
saying
car.
that. I'm saying I don't like them to start off my sparks.
You want me to turn it on?
Not really.
All right, well, I will.
Well, I will.
I just don't think you're gonna break it. Like,
All right. Low cool. In between. is it's not
clicking.
no,
Did the thermostat give out?
it's not clicking at all now.
Okay.
Should we? Well, maybe did the thermostat get blown up?
Maybe the thermostat arc been broke.
Maybe.
That
Maybe
could
we
be
hotwired
it.
the thermostat.
Hot wire.